We're taking a look at the famous Potash Corp, POT, and where the highs were and what the 2011 weekly ranges have been, and we have broke the 2011 weekly lows right here on Potash. Now, when we take a look at this weekly trend, you can clearly see here, MMTs, that we're dangerously in the beginning phase of a weekly sell signal. And that MMTs, the 200-week moving average is at 43.75. The 10-week moving averages, if it crosses over the 20, then Potash could come down here and challenge what used to be resistance here, and it faded back, but it went right through that big green weekly bar. That's going to be the next support level down here. And that's, you know, right around in this 41 or 42 area, but it's a weekly chart. Now, the 10-week moving average where it broke below, which is this blue line right here, is 55.26 right there. And you need that number at 55.26. That red one is a 20-week moving average, MMT, and you need that number, and that's 55.02. The key is that when you go into a weekly sell signal, right now you're in it. You're 0.1172, very minute. But Potash could really break through and go into a weekly sell signal, and when you go into a weekly sell signal, it looks like this right here. That's a weekly sell signal, and they make lows from their trends down here. And then when they start turning up, they pop a buy signal on a weekly. Then that's how you get good, strong trends. It's a lagging standard technical analysis indicator. You will make your decisions used on the SMF Market Maker platform, which is quite sophisticated. That's the weekly analysis there. A crossover, a break or sell through. We break these support levels. You can use your MMT platform to get the various different delta support lines from there. I'm just drawing them freehand. Here's right around 37 there. So we know that this major line right here, which was the 2010 breakout to the all-time high. And I think that this had a, I'm not sure, I'm not going to put my foot in my mouth, but I'll have one of my guys look at the fundamentals and see if they did have a split at all and what their dividend yield is. That's going to be another important thing. Do fund managers find it on sell, or do we continue to sell down? That's Potash on it. The daily is right here at 45. And it's already down here from where you had your gap on good news back in 2010. And the high of that one down here is 38.85 right down here. You're at the critical level of support, just as you were right here in the 2011 breakout to the high, to the reversal. But mainly, you had a lot of 2011 support and breakout trends on this Potash. But now you are below that area, and you've come down to this major critical gap sequence. That's that low end of that support on the daily, and we're there, and we're in a daily 4-day daily sell signal. And currently, MMT will take a look at how to short this thing. Is that percent TS, though, it's at 8.30 on a daily, and it is going to hit a place where it gets really good support, and there'll be an intraday market maker bid and ask ranges. And if Potash is going to find value, when we find the value part, then we can buy and hold Potash using calls and puts and managing risk and doing all kinds of things. Potash.